how to take apart an i9 voice changer to get down to the low profile board to embed in a costume. Your screws are under this. Something's holding on to it. Probably the battery. It's probably glued on. Seems there's a metal weight in here. Yep, it's adhesive to the battery. This is really strong. There we go. Nice little LiPo battery. Wow, that's some great tape. Now I just continue with the prying, and I'm kind of gentle because it feels like it's going to break the battery. But it ends up with success, and now let's test it out again, and it's good. It's nice and low profile. Fit it in your helmet or under your armor. Like, subscribe, take care, I'm out.